Rediscovering summer, a vibrant day at the beach after reopening to visitors. The camera glides gently with the sea breeze, capturing the shimmering sand beneath the blazing summer sun. Gentle waves roll in, kissing the shoreline with a soothing rhythm, like whispers from the ocean after a long slumber. And then, the scene bursts to life, hundreds, even thousands of people pouring onto the beach, faces beaming with excitement, as if they were children stepping into freedom for the first time after a long, silent storm. 1. Summer, the season of return. It was a scorching June day, when sunlight doesn't merely shine but burns with golden intensity, blanketing everything in warmth. Days of sweltering heat had left people restless, yearning for an escape, a place to cool down not just their bodies, but also their minds and spirits. After months of closure due to maintenance and safety regulations, the beach finally reopened to the public. The news spread like wildfire through family groups, chat apps, and neighborhoods. When the gates reopened, the salty breeze seemed to embrace every soul longing for release, as if the ocean itself had missed them too. 2. A colorful painting of life on the beach. The camera captures vivid, joyful moments, children jumping across the sand, tasting the sea for what feels like the first time, groups of young friends rushing into the waves, laughing with reckless abandon, adults lounging beneath beach umbrellas, sipping cold drinks and letting go of built-up stress. Under the blazing sun, no one seemed bothered. In fact, every smile glowed brighter than the heat. Crowds kept arriving, families of 3 generations, solo travelers, groups of teenagers, all gathered by one common purpose: to feel truly alive in the heart of summer. 3. Waves, sun, and the breath of humanity. The video continues, showing how the ocean welcomes back humanity. The waves remain unchanged, their rhythm timeless. But now, woven into the surf, are the bodies and souls of people rediscovering nature, running feet, playful hands tossing water into the sky, shining faces wet with both seawater and joy. The intense sunlight, rather than being oppressive, became part of the experience. People immersed themselves in the water, then lay down on the hot sand, embracing the rhythm of hot-cold hop like a dance of the senses. 4. Everyday activities that suddenly feel meaningful. Beyond just swimming, the video captures scenes full of heart. A group of friends playing beach volleyball near the water's edge, laughing between points. A couple walking hand in hand along the shore, their footprints mingling in the sand like a metaphor for their journey. Street vendors returning with familiar carts of coconut water, ice cream, and snacks. They weren't just serving food, they were reviving the soul of the beach. A gentle voice over the loudspeakers reminded visitors to keep the area clean and observe safety, showing that reopening doesn't mean recklessness, it means
giờ ra tắm trận nếu còn ở đây còn nếu tôi đi chỗ khác thì thôi. Thế nên tôi giờ là phải 2 giờ đêm 8 giờ nó mới mát. 8 giờ là nước. Rác nhiều đây thì tôi mở rác ở đây.